What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily crop videos using Premiere Pro. After adding a video to your timeline, select the video and then head to Sequence, Sequence Settings. A new window will open up. This will allow you to change your video resolution. Under the video section of the general settings, change the aspect ratio by simply entering the desired horizontal and vertical frame size. The video preview's width and height will adapt accordingly. Click OK to apply your changes. Next, head over to the Effects tab and search for Auto Reframe. Drag and drop the Auto Reframe effect onto your video clip, which will automatically keep your subject in the frame with the help of keyframes. There is another way to crop your video in Premiere. Make sure the clip is selected in your timeline and use the Ctrl and M shortcut to open its export settings window. From here, expand the video section and uncheck the frame size option. This will allow you to change the width and height of your video in pixels. If you use a higher value than your original footage, you'll see these black borders on the side of your video. After clicking on Export, Premiere will export your video project in the resolution you selected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.